Good day, guys. How are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is your first time, you'll be checking on our channel. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Make sure you click the subscribe button and ensure you click the bell icon button so you can get to receive notification on any message, any video we upload. Okay. So once again, welcome to the King FX Trading Mastery. So the analysis we picked during the middle of the week, before the start of the month, a lot of them are going in the other way. So which means some of the pairs as predicted are not yet playing out, which means a lot of pairs are changing direction like AUD USD, and some of them like that they're changing direction. But during the middle of the week, today is the middle of the week, so you want to make use of the little opportunities that is available in the market. So this analysis is between today, March 3rd, and Friday, 5th of March 2021. All right. So we have some few opportunity that I want to share with you guys. So make sure you watch this video to the end. All right. So the first thing I want to be sharing with us today is AUD Swiss Franc. We can see AUD has broken high, so it's currently trading above the 120 moving average on H1. So we can see this pair still has the ability to push up a little bit to this level, okay, as we expect some kind of momentum. So you want to wait for this to either pull back a little bit and catch your buy entry, or you enter your continuation trade through the cross of the stochastic to the upside. All right, this is going to be a good trade when the stochastic crosses back to the upside, or you wait for the proper entry. So AUD Swiss Franc, it's a buy. Look for buy on AUD Swiss Franc. The next one I'll be talking about is AUD JPY. JPY is currently weak. Swiss franc is currently weak as well. So this may give AUD against JPY and Swiss franc to pull up to the upside. So look for a pullback to the upside, a pullback and take a buy, or you enter a continuation entry once you see the cross of the stochastic cross back to the upside. So AUD JPY, look for a buy. Look for a buy on AUD JPY. The next pair I'll be talking about is CAD Swiss Franc. CAD is currently strong, so I will still expect this to keep pushing up to this level. We expect this to keep pushing up to this level. It still has a very long way to go within the week. So CAD Swiss Franc, look for a buy. You wait for the pullback, then you catch your buy entry, or you enter through the continuation on stochastic. So CAD Swiss Franc is good for a buy. It's good for a buy. Swiss Franc JPY, these are two pairs that are currently weak, so you want to be careful with this pair. Swiss franc JPY, these are the two pairs that are currently weak across board, so you want to be careful. But based on our signal, okay, we may still expect a sell entry right here. The sell entry has already triggered. Okay, so as at the time this put in the analysis, this trade is good for a sell, so you may want to sell this. All right, so if you miss it, you want to wait for the stochastic to cross back, then on its way down you catch the sell entry. But be careful with this pair. All right, so where you have two pairs not moving, it means market is going to raise, so you don't get your money tied down right here on this pair. So Swiss franc JPY is still good for a sell. The next pair I'll be talking about is CAD JPY. As JPY is weak, so we still expect this pair to push up to this level. Okay, CAD JPY, look for a buy, wait for that small pullback, then catch your buy and take your profit before 85.08, or you enter once you see the stochastic crosses back up, then enter a continuation trade. All right, so CAD JPY, look for buy, CAD JPY, look for buy. The next pair I'll be talking about is Euro AUD. Euro AUD is good for a sell right now, as at the time this analysis is released, is good for a sell. We expect this to keep coming down right now. So as you enter right now, you place your stop loss above the 120 moving average right here, or above the last hour. So we expect this pair to drop down to 1.5283, but make sure you take your profit along the way. So Euro AUD is good for a sell right now, as at the time of release of this analysis. So make sure you follow it judiciously. So Euro AUD, look for a sell. Euro AUD, look for a sell. Euro CAD. Euro CAD, we can see this Euro CAD is very, very strong across board. So we may see this breaking to this level. Okay, we may see this breaking to this level. Euro CAD. So CAD is very, very strong. You wait for that pullback on Euro CAD, then pick your sell entry. Wait for the pullback and pick your sell entry on Euro CAD. Euro CAD sell. Euro CAD sell. Euro Swiss Franc. Swiss Franc is the most weakest right now, so we want to be careful. Right now, Euro Swiss Franc has broken a high already. It has broken a high, so we expect it to keep pushing up. So Euro Swiss Franc, we look for a buy, we wait for that pullback, or we enter through stochastic cross, which is the continuation part of the strategy. So Euro Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Euro Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Buy Euro Swiss Franc. The next one I'll be talking about is Euro USD. This is also good for a sell right now because the cross has already happened. Okay, and we can see the 120 moving average on H4 above the candle, while the same thing on H1. So this is good for a sell. Then our first profit will be 1.1994. Euro USD sell. Sell Euro USD. Euro USD sell. GJ. GBP JPY. This is expected to rise up to this resistance. Okay, still expected to rise up to this resistance. So this is a good trade. Okay, either wait for the pullback. If the pullback happens, catch your buy entry once you see the cross back to the upside, or you enter once you see the cross on stochastic. Once the blue stochastic crosses the red to the upside, you take your buy entry and take your profit before 150.31. GJ, look for a buy. GBP JPY, look for a buy. GCHF. GBP chef. This is also a pair that is good to buy. So we wait for the pullback to happen. Wait for the pullback to happen. GBP chef. Then catch your buy entry and take your profit before 1.2890. CHF, look for a buy, or you wait for stochastic to cross down back, then catch your buy entry to the upside. CHF, look for a buy. GBP share, look for a buy. Nzd JPY is the next pair I'm going to be talking about. Nzd JPY. So this pair is still expected to rise up some more. Nzd JPY is expected to rise up some more. So we want to look for a buy as well. So we wait. Either you see the cross between the 5 and 12 moving average, or you enter through the stochastic cross to the upside. So Nzd JPY, look for a buy. Nzd JPY, look for a buy. The next pair we're talking about is Nzd Swiss Franc. Nzd Swiss Franc, this is already setting up for a buy on continuation. Nzd Swiss Franc is already switching up for a continuation, for buy continuation. So you look for a buy on Nzd Swiss Franc and take your profit before 0.6760. Okay, so you want to wait for the stochastic to cross as it's about to cross. So once this crosses to the upside, you take your buy entry and your stop loss at this level or somewhere here. All right, so look for a buy on Nzd Swiss Franc. Nzd Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Next pair I'll be talking about is USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY is still expected to rise up to 108.05 as predicted from the beginning of the week, and you can see the weekly candle is already rising up. Okay, so USD JPY, you look for a buy. You wait for the pullback, then catch your buy entry to the upside or catch the continuation through the stochastic. So USD JPY is still good for a buy. USD Swiss Franc. We are expecting this to break to the upside, to break the resistance due to the momentum. Expecting that to break to the upside. So when you see the pullback on USD Swiss Franc, then take your buy entry and catch your profit before 0.9192. So USD Swiss Franc is good for a buy. USD Swiss Franc, look for a buy. The last pair I'll be talking about is gold. Gold has been on a downward trend since last week, and the downtrend is still going to continue. It has been on a downtrend for a very long time, as you can see on H4. So this is still going to continue some more, as we hope this is going to come down to 168224. So gold, you look for a sell entry, so wait for the continuation, then you catch your sell entry and take your first profit before this support. Okay, but I will advise you guys to make sure, due to the volatility of gold, you can enter gold on 15 minutes. All right, but make sure it's very, very close to the 120 moving average before you can take your trade. Make sure it's very, very close to the 120 moving average before you can take your sell trade. So gold is good for a sell. Gold, look for a sell. So this is what I have for you guys today. This is what I have for you guys today. Just a quick recap. AUD Swiss Franc, look for a buy. AUD JPY, look for a buy. CAD Swiss Franc, look for a buy. CAD JPY, look for a buy. Euro AUD, look for a sell. Euro CAD, look for a sell. Euro Swiss Franc, look for a buy. Euro USD, look for a sell. GBP JPY, look for a buy. GCHF, look for a buy. GCHF, buy. Nzd JPY, look for a buy. Nzd CHF, look for a buy. Nzd CHF, look for a buy. UJ, look for a buy. UCHF, look for a buy. Gold, sell. Okay, because USD is currently strong, so we expect gold to also drop. As USD is currently strong, we expect gold to also drop, and JPY is weak, so we expect JPY pairs to keep on dropping. All right, so guys, this is what I have for you today. Make sure you follow it judiciously, and if you do not understand this strategy, make sure you go on our channel, look for the King strategy. We have numerous video where you can learn about the strategy. The strategy is working. If you can follow it the way it should be followed. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the bell button, like our video, drop your comments, and make sure you share this with your loved ones. All right, so if you want to join our group on Telegram, there's a link, Telegram link below. Make sure you click on the link, then you join us on our Telegram. There you can have first-hand information and every other program we are hosting. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see more of you guys at the end of the week. Bye bye and happy trading.